Yeah. What it do, YouTube? Today I'll do something really different that's never been done on my channel. It's an unboxing. Would you look at? Today I will be doing an unboxing of a pickup that I got on October's very own last night. It came in one day shipping. Oh my god! Oh, I need a knife. So let's open this bad boy. Oh my, this is the worst video. I'm probably not gonna upload this. Piss me off already. There we go. Comes in a nice box. Let's see. Woo! Woo! So we got the first one. It's the OWLS script t-shirt, OWLS hoodie. OWLS t-shirt. I got extra large for that. And I got boom, right there. Boom shakalaka bing bong. There. October's very own. On the left chest, you know what I'm saying? Yeah! There's the first t-shirt right there, you know what I'm saying? Let me back it up a bit. I say go up a size because, you know, they do run a little bit slim on, you know what I'm saying? But, you know. I'm saying, you know what I do? Huh? It's pretty good, you know what I'm saying? Ooh. Ooh.
What? What the fuck?
Yeah, that's wavy. And there you got the hoodie, you got the nice material, you know what I'm saying? You know, look at that. Ooh! And now you got the nice hoodie, you know what I'm saying? The nice fabric, got the kangaroo pouch. So that's it for this unboxing of the OVO collegiate black hoodie and the OWLS script OWLS t-shirt. Shipping came really fast, came one day, and yeah. See right there, you know. So hope you all enjoyed that video. Make sure you like, favorite, and subscribe, or else I'll get really mad. Okay, this video sucks, I swear.